Your body is a beautiful thing. There are so many exciting and weird body facts about them that it will truly blow your mind. Intrigued? Want to know more about interesting facts about the human body? Well, if your answer is a big yes, then let's unveil all the interesting facts about the human body. In this video, you will find 15 interesting facts of human body. Let's begin. You tend to blink your eyes about 20 times a minute, which equals 10 million times a year. 2. While your height stops growing after one hits puberty. Your ears and nose are constantly lengthening, and gravity is to blame for this phenomenon. 3. Did you know? A weird fact about the human body is that it consists of so much fat that it can make up to 7 bars of soap. 4. Once the oxygen supply is cut off, a human brain can survive up to 3 to 6 minutes. 5. Humans develop fingertips from the time they were embryos, only 3 months after they are conceived. This means that just after the first trimester, the baby has fully developed fingertips. 6. Your heart can sync to the rhythm when you listen to music. 7. Throughout their lifespan, humans go from having 300 bones to 206 bones. 8. Did you know? You will not be able to breathe and swallow at the same time. 9. Did you know? Babies only blink once or twice in a minute, while an adult blinks at least 10 times in the same time. 10. In a lifetime, a human produces 25,000 quarts of saliva, which is enough to fill almost 2 swimming pools. 11. Coughing and sneezing is the natural mechanism of your body to keep away any foreign substances. 12. Did you know? Another interesting fact about the human body is that whenever we eat something, the esophagus acts like a giant wave, which is known as peristalsis. 13. Your brain keeps working hard even when you are fast asleep. 14. Did you know? Your bone can heal itself by producing new cells. That's why you are put in a cast when you fracture your bone. 15. A man produces more than 500 billion sperm cells in his entire lifetime. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, do support by hit the subscription button. Take care.